How to enable Wix Chatbot during business hours only. First things first, you need to head over and add a chatbot. Just head over to the site and mobile app, and then you can see it. You can also go to the apps right here and then go to the app market. Now, from this one, this will open your app market for Wix. So, what you can do is you can just click on the search bar right here or the search bar right here and search in here for chatbot. So, let's search, and then you should be able to see all of these things. So what we can do is we can head over and then just choose which app we want to integrate. So for this one, let's choose the Wix chatbot they have available onto your website. You can choose which one you want. Let's choose this, and then from in there this will load. From in there, just head over and click on this add to site option in order to install it. And then make sure to just sign up in order to verify if you're the one that actually wants it installed. Now click on this go to editor in order to add it there. So here's the AI chatbot. Just click on the settings option right here and it will show you the settings of this one. What you can do is you can manage it, and then for this one, just go to the support option or as well as the layout, main and settings, and then change up some things. So that's how you enable Wix Chatbot during business hours only. Hope you helped.